Hello students, welcome you all to the video lecture on chapter number 8 Algebraic Expressions and Identities, exercise 8.4, problem number 3, subdivisions 5 to 8. The given problem is simplify. So we need to simplify the given problem. So here the two terms are given, in each terms we have two binomials. So coming to this term, here x we need to multiply with both the terms available within the bracket. Similarly, y we need to multiply with both the terms available within the bracket. Similarly, x we need to multiply with both the terms available within the bracket, and 2y we need to multiply with both the terms available within the bracket. So how we can write this? First, x is multiplied with both the terms. So 2 into 2x plus y. Similarly, plus y is multiplied with both the terms available within the bracket. Similarly, x is multiplied with both the terms available within the bracket. Similarly, plus 2y is multiplied with x minus y. And once you have done, we need to simplify. This x is multiplied with both the terms available within the bracket. Similarly, y we need to multiply with both the terms available within the bracket. X also we need to do so. 2y also we need to do so. So, plus into plus, if there is no sign meaning that it is plus. Plus into plus it is plus, and then x into 2x. X into 2x. Plus into plus it is plus x into y. Plus into plus it is plus y into 2x. Plus into plus it is plus y into y. Plus into plus it is plus x into x. Plus into minus it is minus x into y. Plus into plus it is plus 2y into x. Plus into minus it is minus 2y into y. So now what are all the constants that you have to write first? X into x. What is x into x? Generally we will write x one time. And what is the power of x? Here 1, here 1. 1 plus 1 it is 2. So x into x it is x square. Plus x into y means it is just xy. Then constant it is 2. Generally, when we write the multiplication of the terms, always we will write in the alphabetical order. So, x will come first followed by y. So, y into x, which is nothing but x into y, which I can write it as xy. So, here two constant I have written already, and y into x, how I can write? Xy. Both are same. Then, y into y is what? Y square. Already we know that x into x is what? X square, and then minus xy plus again constant is 2. Y into x I can write it as what? X into y, which is xy, and then minus 2. Y into y is what? Y square. So now check whether the variables are repeated again and again. When you see this, x square is here and x square is here. So here it is 2x square, it is x square. So generally we know that 2x square, and then we need to add this and this. So when there is no value, meaning that it is 1. So x square is common, that you can write here as it is. 2 plus 1 is what? 3. So 2 plus 1 it is 3. So combining these two terms, it is nothing but 3x square. And then coming to the xy term, what are all the xy term? Here xy, here xy, here xy, here xy. So we have 4 terms available. Here, 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 here. Okay. So just write all the values here. So what are all the values available? Xy. Xy means 1xy. Then 2xy. 2xy. Then minus xy. Minus xy. Then plus 2xy. So this also same symbol. So plus 2xy I am writing here. So this and all plus. Only here it is minus. So commonly what is the variable? Xy. Okay, common variable is xy. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 2 it is 5. 5 minus 1 it is what? 4. So it is plus 4xy. So when I combine these terms, I will get 4xy. Or either you can write like this, or you can do what? Xy and minus xy get cancelled. These two terms get cancelled. And xy is repeated here. 2 plus 2 it is what? 4. Like that also you can write. So 2 plus 2 it is 4. 4xy. Then what are all the other terms available? Y square and minus 2y square. So when you have this term y square and minus 2y square. Y square is plus 1 and minus 2y square. Generally we will write y square as it is variable with the different sign we have to subtract. So 2 minus 1 it is what? 1. Big number sign is what? Minus. So it is minus 1y square, which is nothing but minus y square. So when you combine these two terms, I will get what? A minus y square. So this is the final answer for the fifth subdivision. Then coming to the sixth problem, as usual, whatever the term available here, x, I need to multiply with all the terms available here. Similarly, plus y, I need to multiply with all the terms available within the bracket. So I can write it as x into x square minus xy plus y square. Similarly, plus y into the second term, x square minus xy plus y square. So just simplify the term. So whatever the terms available within the bracket, all the terms I need to multiply with x. So x is multiplied with all the three terms available within the bracket. Similarly, plus y is multiplied with all the three terms available within the bracket. So how we can write plus into plus, it is plus, and then x into x square, x into x square. Plus into minus, it is minus x into xy. Plus into plus, it is plus x into y square. Plus into plus, it is plus y into x square. Plus into minus, it is minus y into xy. Plus into plus, it is plus y into y square. So once you have done, just we need to simplify. Here also here x, here also x. Just write x one time. And what is the power? Here 1, here 2. 1 plus 2, it is what? 3. So it is just x cube. And then coming to this term, it is minus x into x is what? X square. And then we have y. Write y as it is. And then plus, here it is what? X. And then the variable y square. Then generally we will write x term first followed by y. So what is x term? It is x square. Y term, it is y. Similarly here, what is x term? It is x. Y into y is what? Y square. And then plus y into y cube. So here the power is what? 1. So only one time we need to write y, and 1 plus 2 it is what? 3. So y into y square, it is y cube. So once you have done, check whether any terms you can cancel out. So here x cube, that you can write as it is. Here minus x square y, here plus x square y. So both are same. So this term are same. So one is plus x square y, one is minus x square y. So both you can cancel out, which will become 0. So this term you can cancel out. Similarly, here xy square, here minus xy square. Both the variables are same. Xy square, but here it is plus, here it is minus. So this and this you can cancel out. So what are all the remaining term? It is plus y cube. So x cube plus y cube is the answer for the sixth subdivision. Coming to the seventh problem, here also we need to multiply these two terms with all the terms available within the bracket. So 1.5x I need to multiply with all the terms available here, minus 4y I need to multiply with all the terms available within the bracket. So 1.5x into 1.5x plus 4y plus 3, and then minus 4y into all the terms available within the bracket, 1.5x plus 4y plus 3. And then what are the other terms available? Minus 4.5x plus 12y. That you have to write as it is. And then first I need to simplify these terms. So 1.5x I have to multiply with all the three terms available. Similarly, minus 4y I have to multiply with all the terms available within the bracket. So 1.5x into 1.5x plus into plus, it is plus 1.5x into 4y plus into plus, it is plus 1.5x into 3 minus into plus, it is minus 4y into 1.5x minus into plus, it is minus 4y into 4y minus into plus, it is minus 4y into 3, and then what are all the other two terms? Minus 4.5x plus 12y. So once you have done that, simplify your constant terms, multiply your variables. So 1.5 into 1.5. So what is 1.5 into 1.5? So 5 5s are 25 and then 2 you have 7, 5, 1. So 5, 12 and 2. So you have 2 decimal point, it is 2.25. So 2.25, what is x into x? So we know that x into x means generally we have to write x. So here power 1, here power 1. 1 plus 1 it is what? 2. So x into x it is x square. Then 1.5 into 4. 1.5 into 4. First multiply the constants. So 4 5s are 20. Here 2. 4 ones are 4. 4 plus 2 it is 6. So 1 decimal point means it is 6.0. 6.0 means I can write it as 6. So this term it is 6 and then what are all the variables? X, Y. So similarly 1.5. 1.5 into 3. 5 3s are 15 and then 1. 3 ones are 3. 3 plus 1 it is 4. 1 decimal point means it is 4.5. So this term when I simplify it is 4.5x minus, already I know 4 into 1.5 it is 6. So it is 6. Generally we have to write variables in the alphabetical order. So write x first followed by y. Then minus 4 into 4 it is what? 16. 16. Y into y it is y square. As that of x into x is x square, similarly y into y it is y square. Minus 4 3s are 12 and then y variable. Here minus 4.5x plus 12y. And check whether any variables you can cancel out. So here it is x square, whether x square is repeated? No. So it is 2.25 x square. Whether xy is repeated? Here it is xy, here it is xy. So here plus 6xy, here minus 6xy. So this and this you can cancel because 6 minus 6 it is 0. So this and this you can cancel. And then x term available, here one x term, here one x term. Similarly, here plus 4.5, here minus 4.5. This and this you can cancel out. Then coming to the y term also here plus 12, here minus 12. So this and this you can cancel out. So this term and this term you can cancel out. And then what are all the remaining terms? Only minus 16 y square is available here. So this is the final answer, 2.25 x square minus 16 y square. So coming to the last subdivision, that is 8th subdivision. A I need to multiply with all the terms available within the bracket. B also I need to multiply with all the terms available within the bracket. Similarly C also I need to multiply with all the terms available within the bracket of second term. So A into A plus B minus C plus B into A plus B minus C plus C into A plus B minus C. So once you have done that, multiply A with each and every term available within the bracket. Similarly B I need to multiply with each and every term. Similarly plus C I need to multiply with each and every term. So plus into plus it is plus A into A, plus into plus it is plus A into B, plus into minus it is minus A into C, plus into plus it is plus B into A, plus into plus it is plus B into B, plus into minus it is minus B into C, plus into plus it is plus C into A, plus into plus it is plus C into B, plus into minus it is minus C into C. So what is A into A? Generally we will write A one time. Here the power is 1, here the power is 1. 1 plus 1 it is what? 2. So A into A it is A square. And then A into B I can write it as AB. A into C I can write it as AC. And then B into A. Generally we have to write the variable in the alphabetical order. So B into A I can write it as A into B, which is nothing but AB. So B into A I can write it as AB plus B into B is what? B square minus B into C is what? BC. C into A, again write in the alphabetical order. C into A is nothing but A into C, which is nothing but AC. So this term it is AC. Similarly, C into B, write alphabetical order. So, plus B into C minus C into C is what? C square. So, A square is not repeated anywhere. So, it is A square. And then what about AB term? AB term, here it is, right? 2 times it is repeated. AB, AB. So, AB plus AB, 1 AB plus 1 AB. Whenever there is no constant mean it is 1. So 1 plus 1 it is 2. It is 2AB. So when you combine these two terms it is 2AB. Then coming to the AC term. AC term, here minus AC, here plus AC. This and this you can cancel out. And then BC term also. Here it is plus BC, here it is minus BC. So these two terms you can cancel out. And then what are the remaining terms? Here it is plus B square and then minus C square, right? Other terms and all you have combined already. So if you want, you can leave the answer as it is, or else higher power term you can write first. What are the higher power term? A square, B square minus C square followed by the lower power term, that is 2AB. Okay. So this is the final answer for the 8th problem. Thank you. Thanks for watching.